Hey everyone, did you know that frontal crashes are the most frequent type of car accidents? That is why it is crucial to understand how vehicles perform in these high stress situations. In these tests, vehicles are driven into barriers at controlled speeds, simulating real-world collisions. This analysis helps assess how well the front end absorbs the impact, how the cabin safeguards passengers, and how safety features like airbags and seat belts respond under pressure. In 2021, the Insurance Institute for Highway and Safety, also known as the IIHS, conducted frontal crash tests on several mid-size SUVs, including the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4. The Honda CR-V stood out thanks to its reinforced frame and advanced airbag system, providing superior protection and minimizing the risk of serious injuries. The data from these crash tests are invaluable. They guide engineers in designing safer vehicles with stronger frames, more effective crumple zone, and advanced airbag systems. Frontal crash performance is a key component of vehicle safety, but it's just one part of the bigger picture. Together, these insights drive innovation and make our roads safer for everyone. If you have found this information useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates on vehicle safety. Thanks for watching.